beautiful day today at the Machinist Card Show. Check out this amazing weather we're dealing with. It's Cards Day STL, and I definitely did not plan out the weather with it. But we're here at the Machinist Card Show today, the monthly show that's put on. We're gonna go inside, see what kind of stuff we can find. We always do some deals here, so let's see what we can do today on this fine, not sunny day. All right, we got Eric here, otherwise known as Easy. He is Ron Estie's son, Eric. I've known Eric since, well, we've been kids, right?
Yeah, it's been a while.
You live just down the street from RbiCru7.
Yep.
But the only time I ever see you is when I come here.
I know.
He's too busy coaching, playing, doing baseball. But Eric always has some great stuff. Baseball primarily. A little bit of basketball.
Primarily.
He's got a little LeBron action there. He's got some stuff, but
yeah, basketball stars, a little bit of football. I don't think any of them are stars, but the football's all over there. I got some Pokemon.
Yeah, last month I bought some Pokemon for Parker last time. I got the Ginner.
I was gonna say Kim Jong.
Kim
Jong.
From Hangover. I got that. I thought that was a cool one.
North Korean?
Last time from him, but he's got a little bit of everything. He's always on the one-day show, basically, when you walk in the front doors. Been doing it forever, but known Eric a long time. Good dude. Actually, I think I saw more when we were in Florissant. Because he used to teach out there, right?
Yeah, I used to go to Fisher's right around the corner from that to pick up all the sports stuff, so it was easy. But yeah, now you guys are closed by the time I get out of practice.
Yeah. My bad. So it's always good to see Eric.
Good to see you.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure.
Very nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
So we just got these from Greg. Do you have social media or anything?
RbiCru7. Yeah, I have my own on the Illinois side. So RbiCru7 is where it's at because my friends all say about it. I'm going to be visiting them shortly.
Well, I appreciate it, Greg. So we just snagged. So this is Mike. Mike done shows here forever. Great guy. Him and his son collect together. Son's off college still.
He's getting autographs right now.
Oh, is he? Yeah, still off at college, right?
Yep. Junior.
Oh man, it's going quick.
He's a senior next year.
There you go.
My other son's a freshman at the University of Illinois.
Oh wow.
He's total 98.
I don't know why, but I actually really just like the A-Rod. I don't know, it's just nice patches on that, game used, Yankees, just, it's pretty cool. Card right here, extremely undervalued. Eddie Murray rookie card never gets the love that it should for who he was and how great of a ball player he was. Always think that's always a good one. That's one of those ones you can move or doesn't move. I just like the passion game. Yankees game. Can I take a look at it? This is the gamble one. This one's just a cool card. The A-Rod, nice patches on it, game used. Let's see. Who's called 5? Okay, we're gonna grab these for 500. possible. We always do something.
I know.
Let me know where you're at on those. Let me know where you're at on those 3. Let me know where you're at. Just
So,
a couple ideas.
so when these two together, I want to be like probably like around 725, and then that I don't have a lot of room on because I paid strong for it. That one I would do for like 1,800. So I said 700 on these, so you had that in, that'd be 2,500 for the 3. The last comp on this was 2,000. One just comp this week.
One just count this weekend.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
So we grabbed them. We got the TJ Watt. Good one from the shop. Jordan Love. Season coming out, True Gym Plus. Going to be the starter here real soon. And I guess this guy's okay, Joe Burrow. So yeah. Tyson was too busy socializing with me.
I was listening in the background.
You were listening but not recording.
This is getting edited.
This is getting edited. We just snagged this from Quinn.
Quinn's cards on IG.
Yep. Quinn just overcharged me on this one. I didn't pay that number. I mean, I paid less, but still overpaid. As you can see, the weather still not beautiful. It's been raining, but great show today at the one-day Machinist Card Show. We're excited for the 3-day coming up next month in May. But we had some great finds today, some stuff we're going to sit on to the football season, but always a great time just chatting with people about the hobby. If you're out in the area, just come check it out.